Are you looking to take your manicure or pedicure up to the next level, but you're wondering which tools that you need? I'm Gina with WTI, and something you definitely need in your arsenal is this airbrush kit that I got from SAVILAND. First off, even if you're a beginner, this is so user-friendly. And it has 3 different pressures, so you can choose which one is the best for whatever look you're going for. We used it on the lowest setting with short bursts. It came out so smooth, no air bubbles. This kit comes with everything that you need to do airbrushing, including different containers and cleaning tools. I found it very easy to clean also. You just add in your cleaning solution to the paint container, plug the nozzle, start the airbrush, you'll see it kind of bubble up into the container, and then you can spray it out the airbrush too, and it cleans up quickly. We felt this worked optimally using SAVILAND's airbrush nail paint. The two go really well together, and I definitely recommend picking up a set of the airbrush paint so that you can get the best results. I am so impressed by what great quality this airbrush is and how amazing it works, and that's my point of view.